Even if you're not intending to build quads, or you're only intending to maybe build one. Welcome back to JD and the Sumpsy. I'm Jay, and today we're doing an unboxing. An unboxing that I got from Amazon. If Necromunda building and painting, Necromunda hobby, the rules aspect, campaigns, gang building, or any other general miniature hobby wargame stuff is your thing, make sure that you bust out that Warhammer and smash that like button, and smash that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that bell icon so you don't miss any of our videos. Thanks for watching. Now back to the video. So, I got this box from Amazon. I did already open the big box from Amazon because I wanted to make sure what was inside was actually inside. So, what did I get? Well, I got the Ash Waste box set. Yes, that's right. Finally, I got the Ash Waste box set. So let's open up the box and get it out of here. A lot of paper, so that's good. This is big. Okay. Wow. Okay. Alright. So here is the box. And let me just put the big other box on the floor again. Okay. So there we go. There it is. The Necromunda box. Ash Waste box. So, yeah, it's quite a hefty thing. I picked it up on Amazon because it was on sale recently for 50% off, essentially, of retail. So I just couldn't pass it up. I've been wanting to buy it for a while. I already bought the rules, the rule book, the all the dice, all the cards and everything. I picked up all that stuff, but I never actually got the box with everything else in it. So I've just been kind of waiting till the right moment to pick it up. And luckily I found it for a great discount. So anyway, I've never opened one of these before, so let's take a look inside and see what's in the box. And I'm going to be using this new camera I got that you've seen once before in the unboxing of Hive Secundus. This is a Logitech Reach camera, and I'll be doing a separate review of it later in a different video. But right now, I wanted to use it to try and see how good it is and what we can see in this box with the camera right here. So let's start opening this. I've got my trusty knife, and we'll just kind of cut a little hole here in the plastic. There we go. I can just rip that plastic right off. Right, let's open up the lid. Oh, it's not taped. The box is not taped shut. Interesting. Let's take that off. Oh, there's a lot of stuff in here. Okay. Okay. We've got, let's see, we've got this, the templates, which are in every Necromunda. Great templates. They're the same templates that we've been using since at least 3rd edition. Different color with this, though, which is nice. Right here, we've got this sprue. We've got another sprue. This is all the terrain sprues. We'll look at these again in just a minute. Let's see, we've got these. We got this sprue here. So we got 3 of those, 2 of those, 1 of those, it looks like. Okay, interesting. And then we've got some of the gangs here. So we have, this is all Orlock stuff. So we'll pull out all the Orlock stuff. Put that over here. I see, here's another one of these sprues. So is that this sprue? No, this is a different sprue. Okay, I'll put that over there for now. And one of these sprues. So this is another one of these. That's interesting. And then we have these guys. These are the Ash Waste Nomads, and they're bugs that they crawl around on. We'll look at those again in a minute. And then we've got this sprue, which is, I've always liked this sprue. We'll take a look at that again in a minute. Then we've got this piece of paper. It says Ash Waste. I really do like these that they give you. I think it's kind of neat. Get the artwork on its own piece of paper, and on the back it's got kind of the other stuff you can buy. And we'll look at that again. Looks like we've got the playmat here, the assembly instructions, which are always useful. Another bit that was in the box. The rulebook, so that's excellent. Still sealed. And I've got this cardboard inset that underneath it has dice. The little range ruler thingy. And over here, oh, there we go, we got the cards. And we've got all the bases. Round bases. And the oval bases for the trike, or for the quads, and for the bugs. There we go. We'll look at those again in a minute. But let me just get this out of the way. And we'll go through each of these things one by one. Alright, so first up is the rule book. I'm not going to open this up because I'm going to probably give it away to somebody at some point. You've got all of the tokens in here, and it looks like there's summary sheets in here as well, so rule summary cards. So that's very nice. We're going to put that aside. I'm not going to open that. We've got the card pack. Now the card pack is kind of cool because you've got not only road sections and trade routes for the Ash Waste campaign, but you also have, I believe there are Ash Waste Tactics cards, as well as blank cards for vehicles and for the gangers. So that's nice to have one big pack. I'm not going to open this right now either. You get a dice pack. This is like actually one of the best dice packs you can get, in my opinion. Not that it's necessarily the best looking dice that they've ever produced, but the fact that you get all of the dice that you'll ever need to play Necromunda with. Regular 6-sided dice, vehicle location dice, vehicle damage dice, these scatter dice, and the regular dice for playing Necromunda, the injury dice, the rapid fire dice, and yeah, you basically get all the dice you would ever need to play Necromunda right here in this little bag of dice. It's probably the best set of dice you could get. Of course, we've got bases. This is really nothing that exciting. And you've got the bigger bases and you've got the smaller bases as well. So, not that super duper exciting, but there they are. 4 of the little ones, 2 of the bigger ones, and a bunch of the regular size bases. Let's look at some of these sprues. So we've got this one and this one. You get 2 of these. Now these are the platform sprues. Actually pretty cool to have. They can be used anywhere. That doesn't have to be purely Necromunda terrain, or doesn't have to be purely Ash Waste terrain. It could be used in the sump. I know Dia's used a lot of these in the sump to great effect. There's actually, this piece is missing right there. There we go. So you get 2 of those. Pretty cool. You get 1, 2, and actually 3 of these. These are the platform sprues. So the other one was kind of the walkway sprues. These are actually the platform sprues. Let me get these out of the way. And the platform sprues have these bigger platforms, put 2 of them together to make 1 platform. They've got this one on the side here, which is a smaller one that kind of hangs down. You've got a couple of ladder sections. These are great. These are kind of the pipes that hold them together. They go in the middle. And then a bunch of other bits and bobs, so these are nice too. You get 2 of these sprues. These are the actual habs that it comes with. You get, looks like 2, because each hab takes 4 of these to build, and then these are the roof sections. So you get 2 of these. And then you also get one of these. This is all of the extra stuff. So you've got your tarp right here. You've got some more ladders and railings, which is nice. And a bunch of other interesting little things like this little windmill type thing. Or not windmill, you know what I'm talking about. It catches the wind. You can figure out which way to the direction the wind is going in. And there's a little light here, some antennas and stuff. All sorts of, there's a radar dish. This is like a pile of stuff. That's really cool. So yeah, this is another great sprue. You only get one of these. It's unfortunate almost. It'd almost be nice if you got several of these. But anyway, this is great. As I showed you before, you know, templates. You get one measuring stick. Not sure exactly why only one, but you get one. Let's look at the gang sprues. So there's the Orlocks, so you get two, I think. Yeah, you get two Orlock Sprues, and these are the sprues that you would get if you bought a Orlock box set. The basic gang box comes with two of these sprues. So you get exactly what you get in that box, in the Ash Waste box, and you get two of these sprues. These are the quads. Yeah, they're the quads that the Orlocks have, and this is basically what you would get in the box if you bought the quad box. The Ash Waste Nomads, you come with two sprues, exactly what you would get in the Ash Waste Nomad box if that's what you bought. And two of the big bug sprues, which gives you 4 bugs total, which is exactly again what you would get if you bought the box set. Here's the little booklet that it comes with. Construction guide, introductory gang list. Shows you how to build everything, which is very, very nice. Because without this, I found the Necromunda models to be quite difficult to assemble. Shows you how to build the buildings as well, which is nice. And ways to assemble it after all the different components are put together. And then what's over here, this is your Ash Waste, Nomads, and Orlock gang list. So it's kind of cool. It allows you to build gangs out of just what's in the box, which is a very nice thing to do. Of course, they don't really give you the points, so, well, you don't. You do get the credits. I'm sorry, you get credits. So yeah. It has all the rules for everything that's in there, so that's really nice. If you actually wanted to play Ash Waste straight out of the box with these two gangs, you can totally do it. This is the big mat that I would open up, but I don't really see the point. It's double-sided, which is nice. And, of course, you also get this sprue, which has come in all the box sets. It gives you all of these barricades. It gives you loot crates. This here is the monster. I can't remember what it's called now, but it comes out of the thing. There are certain scenarios that have this in there. There's the token right here. This is the priority marker. So you have it when it's your turn. The opposing player has it when it's their turn. So you remember who has priority for that turn. And there's the other option you can do is collect a bunch of these and make tables out of them, which is what a number of people have done. So that's another great option with these. But this is a great piece of terrain. You can use this, or this is a great sprue. You can use it for all sorts of terrain purposes. So anyway, that's the Ash Waste box set. Let's move my camera out of the way here. So yeah, so that was the Ash Waste box set. I think it's a great value, even at full retail price. If you can find it at a discount, even better. I think it comes with a lot of terrain. It comes with 2 full gangs to use in the Ash Waste, the Orlocks and the Ash Waste Nomads. I know this isn't new news. A lot of people have already bought these boxes and opened them or watched videos of others doing that. But I thought it would be a good way to kind of continue on our unboxing series, since we have several Necromunda box sets that we unbox in that series. We're going to continue doing that with box sets as they come out, and we'll try and cover some of the old ones that we still haven't unboxed yet. But yeah, that's what's in the box. I recommend it. I think it's a great box, and I think that if you're new to the game, this is also a great box to get. As long as one of the two games interests you, even if they don't, I think you could split it with a friend, and I think it'd be a great investment, a great way to get into the hobby. But anyway, that's my thoughts on the Ash Waste box set. What do you think? Do you think it's a good deal? Do you think that it's worth the money, whether it's at full retail or discounted? Let me know in the comments below. But that's all I've got for you this time. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.